We're making Brazilian lemonade. Cut the ends of 3 limes, then cut your 3 limes into fourths. In Brazil, limes are often referred to as limão, which translates to lemon in English. Therefore, when Brazilians refer to limonada or Limonada Suica, they are typically talking about a lime-based drink. Trim off the pith to eliminate any unwanted bitterness. Add them all to a blender along with 4 cups of drinking water. Blend for just 15 to 20 seconds. You don't want to blend too long or you may end up with your drink being too bitter. Strain your mixture. Those pesky bits and pieces have no place in our velvety drink. Then strain the liquid a second time. Add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 2 ounces of Tirani lime syrup. It's optional, but in my opinion, it's so good. Now you want to add 2.5 cups of ice. Blend for a few seconds until smooth and creamy, unveiling a velvety texture. Cheers.
Come cook with Rose Only.